Hi, I'm Kieran. I'm the product manager at Hughes Safety. Weekly activation of your safety showers and face wash equipment is essential to ensure that this life safety piece of equipment works when needed. In addition to regular servicing, weekly inspections and activations of your safety showers are a required part of international and European standards. Weekly activations will flush the pipework of any sediment buildup. It will reduce the risk of bacteria growth and Legionella, and will ensure that your safety shower and eye wash equipment is ready for use in the event of an emergency. This is a combination shower. So for models that have both an eye wash and a shower, it's essential that you activate the shower first so that any sediment in the lines can work their way through the nozzle rather than clog up the filters in the eye face wash. To activate your shower, you simply pull the handle. Some have foot activation and others have levers. The shower or eye wash must remain on without the use of the operator's hands. So what should you look for? Firstly, does it activate properly? It should come on within 1 second or less. Secondly, is there a steady flow of water? Make sure the stream doesn't stop or stutter. And finally, is the water dirty or cloudy? Dirt or rust could harm a casualty further. Ensure you flush the shower or eye wash until the water runs clear. Moving on to the eye wash, you're looking for similar issues. Does it activate properly? This is an open bowl eye wash. You can activate it by the lever. Some also have foot activation, and there are also models that you pull forward from a lidded bowl. Upon activation, do the dust covers pop off, and is the water dirty or cloudy? With an eye face wash, you need to check if the two streams of water are at the right height and pattern so that it flushes both eyes. Hughes can supply a gauge like this one to help you measure it. Just hold it no more than 20 centimeters above the eye face wash and make sure the two streams of water hit the guides like shown. Observe the flow pattern to ensure that it's not erratic or that the velocity would cause further injury. All Hughes showers have recommended minimum and maximum operating pressure. Refer to the operation manual of your specific shower to find out what yours is if you have any problems. Make sure you keep a track of your weekly activations. We have a simple record sheet on our website that you're welcome to download. Here you'll also find a handy checklist that you can consult when doing your weekly activations. Ensure this life-saving equipment works first time, every time. Thanks.